How to write a review for an app on the App Store. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let's continue with the video. So in order for you to write a review for any app out there that you have used or not used, you will need to make sure that it is downloaded in your iPhone, because you need to use the app before you write a review. That's pretty common sense. But yeah, make sure you have downloaded the app in order to write a review. And after that, all you have to do is go to the App Store and search for the app that you want to write a review for. Let's say in my case that is WhatsApp. And once I search for WhatsApp, you can see that there is this app over here. And once I'm here, all I have to do is scroll down. And over here you can see on the left corner there is this thing called write a review. It's pretty intuitive and simple in my opinion. And once you're here, all you have to do is add the stars and then add a title to your review. Let's say it has screen issues. And over here you can describe your review, and that's it. You will have to click on send. You can add a nickname for yourself, and that is how you will be identified in the review section. The nickname is taken. You know what? You have to write something unique, and once you do that, your review will be sent, and that's it. You have reviewed an app on the App Store. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below on what next videos we should make. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.